Tuesday, February 7th. Kurt from the Hoover boys, I'm making this video especially for you. You seem to appreciate the relics like I do, which not a lot of people do. A lot of people are just out there looking for jewelry and coins. I got some stuff to show you. Not a whole lot. I've had to get rid of some of it this past year for money issues, but check it out. My first arrowhead. I mean, this puppy's still sharp on the edges. It's crazy. I'm really happy to find that. This, I don't know what kind of bullet it is. It's small and it's old. I don't know. Pile of buttons. A lot of them are two-piece, modern, and not modern in here. I know you like the dog tags. It's my oldest one. Mason dog tags, 1902, if you can see it. Got a little pile of them here. I'll be sending you a couple of these. Split up between you and the boys. Tokens, tokens, tokens. Presidential tokens, Subway tokens, bus tokens, Chuck E. Cheese, old Paul Mahler. This one's neat. Kind of got like a Buddha guy on the front. And on the back of it, says, I'm proud to be a Rexolite. I don't know. I discovered a home site out in a cornfield where I've been finding a lot of buttons and large cents. And holy spoon. I got no idea how they did this. It's smooth. The parts that are gone are starting to rust away. But check that out. Look at that spoon. I'm a big guy and that thing's, I don't know, probably 9 inches long, 8 inches long. That's a big one. Pretty cool though. Old lipstick thing. Yeah. This is Burgette's Liquid Color. My first intact glass bottle. A few lighters. Neat looking. This one's so old. In South Carolina. The phone number is only 3 digits long. And phone number 882. Only 2 thimbles I've ever found. I do love finding them. Hopefully I'll find a uncrusted silver one day. That's what we're all hoping for, right? Telegraph. That's coming to you, Redneck Bob. I got one in the bag for you too, Kurt. I'm told that's a Model T Ford wrench. I really don't know. Let's see, I believe this is a heel plate. Not 100%. Here's a button I just dug the other day while the ground was nice enough to let me through. I doubt I'll be able to get a great picture of it, but it's got an eagle on an anchor with 13 stars, Waterbury back mark. That's pretty cool. Skeleton keys. I really like this. Got gold inlay. Can't really get too many details off of it with the phone, but that's cool. My marbles, random marbles. Got tons and tons of suspender clips out of that field, but this was the coolest one. Still got silver plate on it. Yeah, pretty cool. And then this
interesting. I don't know if somebody said it was a fossilized beehive, but I don't think so. It's pretty interesting. The whole rock has all these hexagons. The entire rock is made out of hexagons, perfectly formed right next to each other. Pretty interesting. You never know what you'll find, right? And then this is probably my oldest token. Probably won't get any details. But it's from, upside down. It's from a shoe and boot place in Chicago. And I'm sure you'll recognize the back. This is what I saw first, and boy was I excited. Pretty sure that was the same back that they used on the old bust coins, bust quarter and whatnot. It's hard to see, but it's there. Pretty cool. And then, if I can find it, here's the only recognizable, so you can tell what it is and what it was. And this is all broken off and busted and gone. Right in the middle where the shield is and the letter that would tell me what it is, that's gone. I found that out in the old farm field too. That's pretty cool. Well, just going over my treasures since I can't dig any right now. Just want to say to the Hoover boys, thanks a lot for your videos.